Hey guys, what is up? In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Hamster Kombat to your Ton wallet. Now, Hamster Kombat is in Telegram, so you need to have a Telegram app installed on your device. So once we go to the Telegram, what you want to do is tap on the search bar on the upper right corner and just type in Hamster. And it's going to show you Hamster Kombat. Tap on the bot. And what you want to do is tap Start. Right? After that, you can tap Play. To launch this web, you will connect to its website. Sure, start. Right. Through that, tap next, 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 next. And then tap play. And tap receive gift. So we have 100. What you want to do next is tap on airdrop. It's the lower right corner with the Hamster Kombat coin icon like this. And here it's gonna say connect your Ton wallet. So tap on that. Tap on connect your Ton wallet, and let's select Ton Keeper. And then what you want to do is either install Ton Keeper on your phone or download APK or sign in with Ton Keeper. Let's do that. Tap that and connect wallet. Enter passcode. And as you can see here, we are now connected. Your Ton wallet is now connected. You can disconnect it and copy your wallet address. So that's pretty much it. That's how you connect your Ton wallet to Hamster Kombat. That's the video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.